Hey everyone. Have you ever stood in a room full of people desperately wanting to talk to someone, but your brain just froze? Yeah, me too. Starting conversations can feel super intimidating, especially if you're awkward, shy, or just plain unsure where to begin. But here's the secret I've learned. Starting conversations isn't actually that hard. It just takes the right mindset and a few simple strategies. And guess what? I'm about to share them with you. So, if you're tired of standing on the sidelines wondering how some people make chatting look so effortless, stick around. By the end of this video, you'll feel confident enough to walk up to anyone and start talking. No awkward silence required. Today, we're breaking down exactly how to start conversations, even if you're awkward AF. We'll cover 1. The one question that instantly opens the door to any conversation. 2. How to keep things flowing naturally once you've started. 3. What to do when you run out of things to say, because we all do. 4. And why confidence comes after action, not before. Sound good? Let's dive in. 1. The magic question to start any conversation. Okay, picture this. You see someone you want to talk to. Maybe it's a coworker, someone at a party, or even a stranger in line. Your heart starts racing. What do I even say, you think? Well, here's the easiest way to break the ice. Ask them something specific about their life, opinion, or current situation. Instead of, hey, how are you, which usually gets a boring, good you response, try something like, how did you get into their job hobby? That seems really cool. Have you been to an event like this before? Any tips for a first-timer? What made you decide to come tonight? These kinds of questions show interest, spark curiosity, and give the other person a chance to open up, which makes your job so much easier. 2. Keep it going with active listening. Now that the conversation is rolling, don't sabotage it by zoning out or panicking about what to say next. Instead, focus on truly listening. Nod, smile, and respond with things like, oh, really? What happened after that? That sounds intense. How did you handle it? Wait, you did what? Tell me more. People love feeling heard. When you react with genuine interest, they'll keep talking, and suddenly, you're not trying to force a conversation anymore. You're just having one. 3. Don't panic if there's a pause. Here's the truth. Silence doesn't mean failure. It just means both of you are thinking. If you hit a lull, take a breath and ask another follow-up question, or throw in a light joke or observation. Something like, wow, we're deep already. What else should I know about you? This is actually really fun. Thanks for chatting. You'll be surprised how often a little honesty goes a long way. Confidence comes from doing, not preparing. Look, you don't have to feel 100% confident before you start talking. In fact, confidence builds as you do it. Every time you push yourself to say hello, ask a question, or share something personal, you're training your brain to get more comfortable with connection. And honestly, most people are just as nervous as you are. They'll appreciate the effort, and you might just make someone's day by starting the conversation. All right, so let's recap. Start with a thoughtful question, listen actively, embrace the pauses, and remember that confidence grows through action. These aren't magic tricks. They're real, actionable steps anyone can use. Even you. Even me. If this resonated with you, give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing so you never miss more tips on how to build better connections and feel more confident in your everyday life. Drop a comment below and tell me, what's the hardest part about starting conversations for you? Let's chat in the comments and support each other. Remember, you don't need to be perfect to start a conversation. You just need to start. Now, go out there and say hi. You've got this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.